to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how leather jackets are made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The tanning process stabilizes and preserves the leather. The slow tumbling ensures the hides fully absorb the treatment.
The pH levels are fluctuating near the threshold.
I see the chemical balance stabilizing now. Tanning duration is on target.
Every sheet is precisely cut to ensure quality and consistency.
Every jacket is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how leather jackets are made. एक ही in spot goods, from start to finish.